Hi guys, I'm on an 03 Peugeot partner, same as Citroen Berlingo. Horn not working. How I fix this problem is, first of all, you need a screwdriver with a bend, small screwdriver. 3 little clips, one that side, and one that side. I'll show you how you do it. You remove the airbag when you have them loose. There's 3 holes. You turn the steering up like that. You put your screwdriver in the hole at the bottom. You can just see the little hole there, and it clips against. It moves that spring down like that. If you can see the video focus, and that's what releases the airbag. You have to do that on the top, turn it that way. Just find the hole and put that screwdriver in again. You'll see it. You'll feel the airbag releasing. And then the third one is there. In the hole. And like that again. You press against that. And it releases the airbag. But this is to fix a horn not working. And how you do that is, as you can see, I've put a screw in there, because that is the problem. That air comes loose and it's shaking around, and it sometimes is airting, and sometimes that's when the horn is working, and when it's loose it's not working. So tighten that earth with a little screw, only about 1/4 of an inch in depth, so it doesn't catch on the cowl behind the steering. Make sure you can turn your steering, and that'll fix your horn. If anybody wants any more videos or needs any help, please subscribe or comment on this video. Thank you. This is an 03 Peugeot partner, same as a Citroen Berlingo. I hope this has been helpful to somebody, and if anybody wants to comment or need any help, please do under this video. Thank you. Bye bye.